guys, what's up? It's Alice and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the first video of the year. So for today's video, let's talk about lucky packs. So usually it's like a bag full of stuff from the brand, and what's in the bag is worth more than how much the bag actually costs. I'm not sure how other brands do it, but the ones that I've bought, they tell you ahead of time what's in it, so you're prepared and you can see if you really want it or not. But I think there are also brands that are completely random, so you don't know what you get. Overall, I think that they're a pretty good deal. And also, if you like a brand but you're not quite sure like how to get started, I think that lucky packs are a great way to kind of dive into it because they give you a couple of pre-made cords. If you're like not sure where to start, I think lucky packs are a good place to start. Did I buy any lucky packs this year? No, but what is this video about? I figured today we could take a trip down memory lane and go through the past lucky packs that I've bought over the years, see what I've kept and what I've sold. So I bought 3 lucky packs in the past, all from different brands. 2017 was Swan Kiss, 2018 was Liz Lisa, and 2019 was Uncle Rouge. So let's get right into it. Alright, the first one is Swan Kiss from 2017, and in lucky pack fashion, I also packed it back into the original bag that it came in. Isn't this bag just adorable? I think a large reason why I do buy these lucky packs is because they come in this gigantic, cute bags that are perfect for traveling. So a quick refresher of what's in this bag. There was a really bright pink coat, a black dress, a large oversized pink knit sweater with like ribbons on the sleeves, and it's like I think a turtleneck, and then also a pink top, kind of similar to this one I'm wearing right now, where the sleeves are lacy and then the middle part is pink, and then also a pair of pants, like a pair of floral white-legged pants. Let's see what I kept from this lucky pack. So first we have this black dress. And it's really cute, really comfortable, but also could be super casual. Those are all the reasons why I kept it. The only thing that really annoys me with this is that you have to kind of tie the straps yourself, and they always come undone, which is really annoying. But other than that, I think that this dress is super adorable. There's like, the bodice has like a little heart, or at least I think it's trying to be a heart. It's not like a very super Swan Kiss aesthetic kind of dress. I usually kind of just wear it casually. The second and last thing that I kept, I only kept 2 things from this whole lucky pack. It's probably not what you expected, but I kept the pair of floral wide-legged pants. And to be honest, when I first opened that lucky pack, I absolutely hated these pants. Like, I'm not someone that usually even wears pants, so I didn't think that I would even ever wear this. But then I quickly realized that these pants are perfect for traveling. The waist is elastic, so it's really comfortable, and it's wide-legged, like super wide-legged. And also it has pockets. Just wearing this on the plane or even on a long car ride is so comfortable, and I'm kind of glad I kept it. I bought this lucky pack because back then I was really into the Swan Kiss aesthetic, and I didn't really know where to start because it's such a specific kind of style that back then I didn't know how to incorporate it in like my everyday fashion. But then I realized Swan Kiss is not quite my aesthetic, no matter how much I love it. The stuff that I got in it that I sold, so the coat, the pink coat, I actually wore that a lot throughout the year, and the only reason I ended up selling it in the end was because I got the lucky pack from the next year, which also came with a coat, and they're both kind of like spring fall coats for like New York. New York is so cold in the winter, there's no way I could wear those and survive, so I figured I didn't need 2 coats that I can't really wear that often. So that's the reason why I sold that pink coat, even though I absolutely loved it and I wore it up until the time that I sold it. And then the 2 tops that I sold was the knit sweater. I only wore it once. It just wasn't my style, and I hope it found a better place now. And then the last thing is that pink top with the white lace sleeves. I actually wore that one quite a lot. I usually wore it with that black dress that I kept. I didn't like how the middle part, the pink part, was just, I don't like that shiny material. So I always only wore it underneath like a JSK, and I think over time I just grew bored of it. Alright, let's delve into the second lucky pack, which is the 2018 Liz Lisa one. And I think back then If I remember correctly, they had 2 different lucky packs. But the one that I bought is the Liz Lisa My Melody one. And it came in this suitcase over here. It's like a carry-on size with like a really cute My Melody print on the front. Older Liz Lisa lucky packs actually used to come in like those really iconic looking suitcases. Kind of really wish that I was into Liz Lisa at the time so that I could get those luggages, but I guess I missed my chance. Not that I would ever really use them for traveling, but just, you know, for aesthetic purposes. Like this one, I've only brought this on the plane once, and that was because I was moving from New York to LA, and the entire plane ride, I was so paranoid that someone was gonna take my luggage because it's so cute. Luckily, that didn't happen. But nowadays, I only use this luggage when I'm going somewhere where I'm not flying. So a quick recap of what was in this bag. So there was a coat, and then a skirt and an OP that had the exact same Liz Lisa My Melody print. And then the rest of the stuff is pretty basic. There's a knit sweater, a cardigan, and a camisole. So let's take a look at what's inside. I also just remembered that there's a My Melody charm in there that I clearly have not used, and it's still in its original packaging. But it's really cute, and I should probably use it. All right, the first thing I kept is the coat. So it's like this light pink. It's like this pinkish purple color, like, but really, really light that it could almost pass as white. And then these are the pockets with the little bow. It's cute. And the little fur collar. So after getting that coat was when I sold my Swan Kiss coat. And the difference between those 2 coats is that the Swan Kiss one was a very straight coat, but this one, it kind of goes out a little bit on the end, so it's perfect for like really poofy dresses and really poofy skirts. So I actually wear that a lot when I wear Lolita fashion because there's a lot of poof involved. Like I said earlier, this lucky pack had a skirt and an OP that had the same print, and I sold both of them. I only kept the really basic stuff that came with it, like this cardigan and this knit top, and they're both just like white and plain and simple. Oh, and I also kept the camisole, but I, for the life of me, cannot find it. I don't know where I put it. So ironically enough, I bought this lucky pack for the skirt and the OP that had the same print, and then I sold them both. I did actually wear them a lot. For a whole year, I actually wore that OP, and I actually really liked it, but I think the reason I sold it was because over time I felt like the print was a little too childish for me. So I sold the OP thinking like, well, I still have the skirt that has the exact same print. And the skirt I actually kept for a couple months later, and then I also got bored of that print. So again, I sold it. And I don't miss it at all, actually. And I actually wore that knit top in my previous winter lookbook video. If you haven't checked it out yet, check it out. All right, let's move on to the very last lucky pack that I bought, which was from 2019, and it is Unk Rouge. And here's the bag. As you can see, it's still quite full. The reason why I bought this lucky pack was because at that very moment in time, I was super interested in like Larm K and like black and pink. So when I saw what they had in this lucky pack, I was like, that's perfect, that's what I need. I'm gonna buy it. So I bought it. And just to recap, this one had a gray plaid OP, a pink OP, a black hoodie dress thing, and 2 random items. The random items that I got was a pink sweater and a black skirt, and also a coat. So let's dive right into it. The first thing that I kept is the coat. I know like the reason that I sold the Swan Kiss one was because I got the Liz Lisa one, but then the Liz Lisa one is so different from this Unk Rouge one that I decided to keep this Unk Rouge one. I know that doesn't make any sense, but that's just how my brain works. Also, I just really love this coat. Like the pockets are so cute. I know it doesn't really look cute right now, but I assure you it's very cute. And I bought this lucky pack when I'd already moved to California, and I didn't think that I would actually wear it that often, but I actually wear this a lot. Like the moment it cools down in LA, that's the sweater that I reach for. And I also wore it when I went to Japan, I went to Korea. I absolutely really, really love that coat. I just think it's like so simple, yet so cute, and it's white, so it kind of goes with everything. The next thing that I kept is this black hoodie dress thing. I think it is supposed to be a dress, but I'm pretty tall, so to me it's like a hoodie. And it's got this hood with bunny ears and then pockets in the front. Overall, Overall, it's really cute and really comfortable. I've probably only wore it twice, but I kind of forgot that I even had this, to be honest. So it's a good thing that I'm making this video because now I kind of want to wear this more often. And the next two things I kept, you probably already know and you've probably already seen me wear it very often. The gray plaid dress. I absolutely love this. It's really wide and flowy and you can either wear it like that, but what I sometimes like to do is wear a belt to give it more of a form. And I absolutely love the cut off at the shoulder. And then the last thing that I kept is the pink dress. Of course, this dress was like the whole reason why I wanted to buy this whole lucky pack in the first place. It's like, I told you, like at the time I was trying to get into LARM and this dress just screams LARM. It's got this cute collar, it's pink, and then like a black tulle that goes around in the middle. And it's a really good length for me too. It's like slightly longer than a lot of my dresses. And the other two things that I sold are the two random items, the pink sweater and the black skirt. I didn't love it. And also, I don't really need that many winter items now that I live in LA. The skirt was kind of made out of a thicker material, so it's kind of meant for my colder weathers. I don't think I even wore it. But yeah, those are the 3 lucky packs that I've bought in the past, with all of the items that I kept. I think it's safe to say that my favorite one is the Ink Rouge one. The 3 items that I did keep, I absolutely love and I wear them all the time. But yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below which of these items you love. Also, let me know what lucky packs you bought this year. Let me live vicariously through you. Lastly, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys next time.